Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, guys. We are live here doing some Memecoin trading. It is 7:30 a.m. on the West Coast in Canada. And I was surfing Twitter when I woke up and saw some pretty cool stuff happening, as always, in the Memecoin markets. I just bought a little bit of this Merry Pause, and so far not making money, but I like that it's coming off the floor, and it could get back up to 750K. Who knows? This could be a sender up to 1.2 mil and beyond. There's a lot of action happening in meme coins, and once they get onto Dex Screener, and if you see lots of trades going through, they got a volume bot going, then these can be pretty good plays and you can make some nice flips. But the big one that I am in that I really like is Morty. So why do I like Morty? I like Morty because it's got a great community. It's super active, and apparently it's done by the same guys that did Chill Guy. Unconfirmed, but so you can see my buys here. 1, 2, 3 buys. You know, I don't trade with too much, but that's almost a $200 bet, and got a little bit of a profit on the position. After I bought it, it totally spiked, and so I could have got like a 60%, but I went to the store to get a coffee. And but anyway, I'm still holding this, and I'll tell you why. Is because if you look at Chill Guy, it went parabolic. Oh yeah, if you haven't followed me, Dave.crypto. But let's check out. Okay, so this is Morty on Dex Screener. If you want to add it to Dex Screener, here's the link. But let's look at what Chill Guy did. Chill Guy, I think I've got it bookmarked. Maybe I do. Hopefully I do. I don't know if I do. Maybe I don't. Where's Chill Guy? It could still be in the top in the trending. Chill Grinch, yeah, Chill is like a big one, but I think Chill Guy was sort of the OG, the original coin. But as you can see, Morty is in this trending list, which is great. 1,000 lightning bolts. Not sure exactly what that means yet, but let's see if I can find Chill Guy. Chill, the OG. I mean, it's at, here it is, Chig. Oh no, it's this one, because it's at, oh no, it's not, because it's at like 350 mil. Chill Guy, where is it? The original Chill Guy is, yeah, here it is. This one is Chill Guy, so I'm gonna add it to my watch list. This is the OG Chill Guy. So I mean, this thing went up to 794 million. And so massive. But so what I did was I kind of went back and I said, okay, well, what does it look like in the beginning? I mean, this move up to 800 million took, a week, more than a week. It took like 13 days. But in the initial week, like, what does the chart look like? It kind of looks like this. Sideways, sideways for a day, and then big move up, volatility, another big move up, comes all the way back down, another big. So, it's stair climbing up and down, and then it just keeps kind of stair climbing up and down until it absolutely rips up parabolic into the hundreds of millions. So let's look at Morty and see, like, it's early days here. This is basically the first day. And what does the pattern look like? Well, it went up and came sharply back in. So it came all the way up to 6.6 million and came down to, so that's like a 90% retracement down to 618K. And then, but look, it comes back up and makes new highs. And here we go. So we just want to see this pattern kind of repeating and, no major exit. But if you look at, I mean, it's got everything. It's got a website, it's got a Twitter, it's got a Telegram, and a voice call. Great site, great graphics, great meme, based on the iconic character Morty from the hit series Rick and Morty. And I love it. I like it. I like just simple, strong names like that, and that's why I bought it. Plus the community. Um, so yeah, you can see there's the website. Let's check out the Twitter, and then I'll show you what's happening in the Telegram. Yeah, 2,999 followers, which is really good, and they're posting lots of memes. So it's a strong coin with a strong community, and this is so you got 70 in the video chat, which is great, and they're doing raids. Let's look at what kind of numbers we got on the raids. I think they've got 30 to 50 on the raids. So I think it's a long-term coin, and it could be, I'd like to hold it for a few days, a few weeks. To see if it's going to have that massive parabolic move. And wouldn't that be nice Christmas present if it did? But I am monitoring it because, yeah, as with everything, it could just be okay, so yeah, 20 on these raids, which is pretty cool. So there's some activity there. I'll just take part in the raids. Kind of fun. Drop your tickers and, ask any questions or whatever. So they're rating some pretty cool ones. Holding Morty, yeah, there you go. And yeah, I'll just say Morty. I'm just gonna add some Morty graphics. And here's the Morty. This is like a huge image. Morty. Memecoins. I always put that in the description. Morty going parabolic. Okay, so I'm doing some raids, and so that's kind of fun. So yeah, that's why I like Morty. And yeah, it looks like we're coming back up. We got a nice. This is great sign when you see a good spike. Like if it looks like, oh shit, it's gonna dump, it's gonna exit, it's gonna go back down to 1 million, but it comes back up, and you get a nice topping tail. What I'd like to see is obviously a move up to here, and then maybe a little bit of a correction, and then another move, I mean, we want it to keep going up. But yeah, blasting through. This is what we want to see, like up to 17, 20 million. That would be really powerful, really strong. And that's kind of what we really want to see to have the confidence that this is going to be. Because sometimes these things, I mean, it doesn't take a week for them to go to 800 million or 400 million. Sometimes they do it in like 2-3 days or even a day. And it could be one because they use, if it's the same crew that are running all these things, they're using a lot of the capital, the coins that they get from other launches, and putting them into another sender. And I like this. I love that tail. Look at that. So I'm up yet again on this position, which I'm very happy about, and it's good timing. I'd like to make a Solana today, for crying out loud. And I've, like I said, I'm willing to hold this for 2, 3, 4 days. Just because I love that I love the name. It's Simple Morty, and it's got all the other elements. So there's my coverage of that. Let's see if we can not piss too many people off in here. But way to go, guys. Love Morty. Talking about it live on my YouTube. And yeah, let's see. They should recognize the graphics. Sometimes I piss these communities off, and they boot me if I do that. But I like to do my part. I like to give publicity. Everyone's like, "Oh, promote." Well, hey, I'm promoting on YouTube Live, so I mean, what more do you want? I even put it in the Pump Fund Cabal. It's there. And in my trading channel, crypto trading. So I try to get the word out. I do my part. Anyway, do you guys have any other Questions? I don't know. There's not too many of us online here. Oh, now we're coming in. So this is really a volatile one. But yeah, it hasn't dumped. I mean, I'm not, it dipped down to my entry. God, I mean, I wish I would have entered here, obviously, at 700K. And a lot of people did, but they probably got shaken out. I mean, everyone gets shaken out. And then, because these are nice big retracements, I mean, this move here, this could really, it kind of looks like this move is the retracement. And then, I mean, we could get a big kind of retracement all the way to, like, you know, if I'm gonna be really brutal, like here, it could go back to here before, a big ramp all the way up to 40, 50 milli. We just don't know how it's gonna play out. So that could be the scenario, or like I said, it could just send all day, and by tonight it could be at 40, 50 million, 80 million. I mean, these things are very hard to predict, and the power is just, um, it's just, I don't know. You can't. There's no certainty in any of this. I try to develop a model. Oh, maybe they're constantly analyzing. I mean, I'm sure they are analyzing all the wallets, their insider wallets, their capital versus like joiners. They want to make sure that they're not risking too much and there's not people with too many. They're always trying to shake out people with larger positions, because if their goal is to get it to 80, 100 million, they don't want to be paying out like, you know, too much money. So I'm sure that type of analysis goes on. But anyway, like I said, this is good. I'm only up a little bit, I guess. But like I said, I'm happy, and I think that this today could probably. I mean, who knows? Look at this candle. This candle went all the way up to 34 million. So that's kind of a signal that they have like a lot of coin. I wish I could. I wish I could determine like. Yeah, the volume on that was 494,000. Thousand what dollars? I guess $500,000 on that candle. Yeah, look at that. Look, really bullish action. So yeah, there's Morty. Check out Morty, man. Here's the link for Morty, man. I like it. I like it. There's a link for Photon. And yeah, look, this is great. 22%. I mean, I'm almost up to a full Solana, which would be nice. And yeah, my goal on this channel is just to share alpha. Also, broader investing, because, I'm taking some of my crypto gains and I'm putting them into my savings where I'm trading stocks. I want to hold stocks because I think there's a lot of opportunities in stocks. Stocks are different than crypto. Stocks are in some ways better because there isn't all this on-chain analysis. So you can put in like 10, 50, 20, 30 grand into a stock and they'll still send it to, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10x. It might take longer. But they're not going to care if you make 100,000. But try that in crypto. Good luck. Really, really, really not easy to make 100,000 in crypto, which is why I tell people, I mean, if you're up 15, 20K, like take fucking 10K, 12K out. Because it's so hard to get that kind of a gain in crypto now. With these coins, don't believe all the hype on Twitter and look, I made $1 million. Look at my wallet. It's all fucking bullshit because they're constantly analyzing the chain. They're constantly shaking everyone out. So yeah, like I said, that's my goal. I mean, I'm trying to make some gains in crypto, which, as you know, is not easy, very difficult, very tricky. Timing is so crucial. It's a 24-hour market, brutal. It'll kill you. Like, I mean, I got to be waking up at 1 a.m. I mean, if I wanted to catch this, I would have had to be awake like 12 hours ago. Yeah, which I guess isn't that bad. 7 o'clock yesterday But yeah, to carry that through the night, I mean, I'd be exhausted here. And so I only got in here. Um, but like I said, I see the signs that this could be like a 40, 50 million, 100 million, who knows, 250 million. But the other one is Evil Morty. That was on Twitter too. And look, Evil Morty, in terms of gains, is almost outpacing Morty because I got notified of this like two hours ago at around, I think it was around 700. I think it was around here. So if I would have actually bought that, I would have been doing better. And this could have more upside. I mean, this could go to 5 million. I mean, look at the pattern happening here on Evil Morty. I mean, I kind of want to like diversify and get into that. I bought Mary, which is just this vanilla Mary pause. I don't know. I should probably just dump this. I mean, it's not a huge position, but I think this is probably a dumb one. It's just an elf, or not an elf, but it's a, yeah, not sure about this, but I would say Evil Morty is probably a better one to maybe put 0.2 in on this, because yeah, like, you know, if this continues, we want to watch this too. And it's basically following the Morty trend, and it's lower price. That's why I kind of like it. It doesn't have all the socials. Let's check it out here on Dex. Evil Morty. It's a little more, yeah, well, it's a CTO. 297 followers, so it's a smaller coin. There's a lot of activity, and so, but it's younger. We don't know who's running it, but there is activity on this market. You're seeing the trades going through. Assuming it's kind of a volume bot situation, but it's definitely one to watch as well too. So Evil Morty is another one that could go to 5 million for a 5x, and it'll be easier. It's easier, obviously, to get a 5x from 1 million to 5 million than it is from with something like Morty to 50 million, which is kind of what I'm hoping is going to happen. So yeah, but I don't know. It's not as active, so it's kind of tricky. I'm just sort of sitting in Morty. I like more liquid, more active names, and I just like these big topping tails. They got more money to work with. So there's two ideas for you. But yeah, I don't know. I kind of do like this Morty. I'm gonna sell a little bit of my Morty. I'm just gonna sell 0.1, and I'm gonna get out of that. Oh shit! Look at what happened here. Oh no, that's okay. That's just a bottoming tail. So I'm gonna sell some of this Morty. I don't know, and I'm gonna buy some Evil Morty. Because, yeah, I might be able to get the triple on that. You have insufficient. Oh, that's great. What the hell does that even mean? I don't have insufficient soul balance. Oh, buy. I want to sell it. 0. Sorry, I'm trying to sell. 0.1. 0.12, let's say, and so I'm just gonna sell some of this Morty. Hopefully, I'll be able to get a. Oh man, I shouldn't even sell it. It's going up. But it's a good time to sell. So, and then I'm just gonna put it on this Evil Morty. Let's look at the top tails. I don't know. Yeah, because this went up to 1.6. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I do that switch? So there's no one even. I'm just talking to myself here. Well, I like this. I don't know. Yeah, I do. I don't know. I think they could push this up a lot. Mary looks stupid. I'm just gonna sell 100% of this. Oh well. This one went as high as 2 million. Maybe I should just hang on to this. Mary pause. Sort of dumb. But yeah. I'm going to sell this. I don't think it's as strong. I mean, it's just dust. No. I'll save it because I'm going to put 0.012 on Evil Morty. I like that it's, yeah, it's moving, so let's do that. You can see my settings. I really try to just do 2% slippage. I don't want to pay any fees. Yeah, I might regret this, but we'll see. So yeah, I bought some Evil Morty, and did I hang on? So yeah, now I'm carrying this reindeer one, which is probably pretty dumb. And then Morty, which I really like. I don't know. Should I get out of this reindeer one? It might explode higher. I think I might be able to make some money on that.